Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Surah Al-Baqarah, section 30 to 33. After Idda, waiting period of divorce, allow the women to marry their prospective husbands. Mothers shall breastfeed their children for 2 whole years if the father wishes the breastfeeding to be completed. The reasonable cost of their maintenance and clothing will be the responsibility of the child's father. You can have a foster mother for your child as long as you pay what is promised in an honorable manner. As for those of you who die and leave widows behind, the widows shall abstain from marriage for 4 months and 10 days. After this, there is no blame on you for what they do for themselves. They will have liberty and can also look out for a new husband in a decent manner. There is no blame on you if you divorce your wives before you have touched them or settled a bridal gift, dowry, upon them. If the dowry is settled, pay half their dowry unless the woman wants to waive it, or the man can pay the full dowry. Paying full is closer to piety. Guard your salah, especially the middle salah, Asr prayer, and stand up with true devotion to Allah. If you are in danger, pray on foot or while riding. Plan so that in case of death, you leave to your widows a year's maintenance without causing them to leave their homes. Who will loan to Allah a beautiful loan through charity, which Allah will increase manifold? Allah alone can decrease and increase wealth, and to Him you shall return. Reminder is made about the children of Israel, demanding to their prophet Samuel alayhi salam that a king be appointed over them. This incident happened after the death of Musa alayhi salam. When Talut or Saul was appointed king, they refused to accept him as a king since he was not rich and they felt he was not deserving. The Prophet Samuel alayhi salam said that Allah has chosen Talut and blessed him with more knowledge and bigger stature. Allah grants kingship to whom He pleases. The Prophet further said that the sign of Talut's appointment as king is that a chest would be brought down by the angels, wherein there would be some relics which the family of Musa alayhi salam and Harun alayhi salam left behind. When Talut marched forth with his army, Allah tested them, wherein Talut ordered his army not to drink water from a certain river, except a sip from the hollow of their hands. They all drank from this river, except for a few. When the army crossed the river, most of them said, "We have no power to face Jalut or Goliath and his warriors." But the believers knew that with Allah's help, a small army could vanquish a mighty one. Allah is with those who endure with patience. When the believers advanced to face Jalut and his warriors, they prayed to Allah to fill their hearts with steadfastness and make their steps firm and to grant help. The army put the unbelievers, Jalut and his warriors, to flight by the leave of Allah. Dawood alayhi salam, or David, who was part of the army, killed Jalut. Allah gave to Dawood alayhi salam the kingdom and taught him what Allah pleased. Reference is made to the Zabur. Allah does what He intends.